What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the Cards and Chronicles channel. Got another unboxing for you guys today. The shoe, I wouldn't say it's slept on, but it's slept on. Alright? Got on feet for you guys as well, so make sure you stay tuned for the entire video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we're going to get right on into it, man. Alright? Let's go. What up, world? Welcome back to the Cards and Chronicles channel. Hey, I appreciate y'all for tapping in today, man. If this your first time, tapping in to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. That way you don't miss any uploads that, we have on the channel. I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Appreciate y'all for showing the love that y'all did this year. I'm still trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. So, like I say, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Hit that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Give your boy a thumbs up. And that'll help the channel grow and continue to grow. And I keep feeding y'all content, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, this shoe that I'm about to show y'all today didn't have that much hype, you know what I'm saying? It's actually kind of readily available on third-party sites. There's a few sizes left on Nike.com. But without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what's in the box, man, you know what I'm saying? As y'all know, size 12 for the kid. And let's see what we got, man. These are the Airmax 97 Newsprint or ash green. Either one, you can say. The details on these are sick, man. I think this is like a retro ACG colorway. Now just an extra pair of laces that came on the right shoe. I'm gonna pop that off real quick. If I can get it out of there. There we go. Throw the laces to the side. These are just some solid black laces that come with the shoe. And alright, let's get into it, man. Throw these out. This colorway is crazy, man. I don't know if y'all can see that. This colorway, it's like a suede dark green on the bottom. It's got that light vote on the swoosh and on the pull tab on the back. That's pretty dope. But I took a picture of these, and like on the upper, it has like a 3M material. So like if you put a flash on it, or like if you're wearing these at night and the car hit them, you know what I'm saying, they'll light up at the top. I thought that was pretty dope. But anyway, it's just a, classic 97 silhouette with the different colorway on it. It's got the speckles in the outsole down there, black speckles. It's gray, and it's got like a teal color on the inside of the bubble as well. So I mean, it matches in the mid part of the shoe right there. But yeah, these pretty dope, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on feet. It's just a look right here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on feet for y'all. Let y'all see how they look, man. Like I said, these, I wouldn't say they slept on, but they ain't get as much hype, you know what I'm saying, with all the other stuff going on. So, see how these look on feet, and we're gonna get right to it. All right, let's go. All right, everybody, that's going to bring an end to the video for today. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. I appreciate the support y'all shown me throughout the year. This may be my last unboxing for the year. I'm not sure. But if it is, I just want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody out there for sure. I appreciate the love y'all showed me throughout the year. And just asking y'all, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. If you like what you saw today, hit that thumbs up. And just help me continue to grow the channel, man. All right? And if you can get your hands on these, go ahead and grab them, man. I don't think too many people up on these, all right? But I'll see y'all in the next one. Until next time, peace.